Toyota Avanza 2025 review. Exterior design, more modern and bold. The 2025 Toyota Avanza comes with a more futuristic and aggressive design. A larger front grille with chrome accents, sharper LED headlights, and 16-inch alloy wheels, making it look more premium. New color options, including matte silver and deep blue metallic. Interior, more comfortable and high-tech. A more spacious cabin with better quality materials. A 10-inch touchscreen head unit with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Leather seats with ventilated seat feature for extra comfort during long drives. More legroom in the second and third row seats compared to the previous generation. Engine performance and fuel efficiency. 1.5L and 1.3L dual VVTi engines, responsive yet fuel efficient. Latest CVT transmission, smoother and reduces vibration. Claimed fuel consumption reaches 18 to 20 km/liter for city driving. Safety features, more complete. Toyota Safety Sense includes advanced features like lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, 6 airbags in the highest variant. Price and conclusion. Worth it? Prices start at around $16,000 for the base model and up to $21,000 for the top variant. A great choice for families and businesses, with modern features and excellent fuel efficiency. Is the 2025 Avanza worth buying? If you're looking for an economical, comfortable, and tech-savvy MPV, this could be your best choice in its class. Closing, conclusion, and call to action. So, what do you think about the 2025 Toyota Avanza? Is it worth it, or is there a better alternative? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the latest updates from Agah's YouTuber Median.